for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated outside mirrors, center armrest, electronic stability control, heated front driver and passenger seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.